How to copy and paste in BlueStacks. Now, if you're just copy and pasting a specific text that you typed in on BlueStacks, then all you have to do is to locate the search bar directly from BlueStacks. Um, Simply type in what you want to copy and then just simply double click to select all, or right click and then choose on select all to copy the whole thing. Right click and copy and paste it to any maybe your notepad or whatever. So if you would also like a command or a shortcut key, then all you have to do is to again double click to select all and then Control C to use the command. Now if you will be copying and pasting a certain files directly from your system manager, then all you have to do is just to go to your BlueStacks dashboard, go to System Ads, and then go to Manage Storage. Now from there, you can choose whether uploading through your gallery directly from your PC, and then choose whatever file you would like to be copy and pasted to BlueStacks. And that's it. It's how you copy and paste in BlueStacks.